been a massive shift in politics over the past few months, and as you can see, the end of the United Kingdom seems to be imminent. There's thousands of people here already, and hoping we can beat the turnout of the Carnarvon March back in July.
Wel, dyma, dyn ni yn mesur, dwi'n edrych ymlaen i'r rali dros annibyniaeth yma'r trydydd un, a mae yna awyrgylch hyfryd, mae lot o bobl dros Cymru, a beth sy'n bwysig yw bod ni'n dangos bod ni yng Nghymru pwy bynnag gyda ni, beth bynnag yn cefndir, dyn ni'n gwybod bod y ffordd gwell o rheoli'n hunain ac yn rheoli gan San Steffan, a dwi'n meddwl bod bobl yn dechrau gweld gall Cymru neu well job ar rheoli hun a cael rheoli gan San Steffan. Ac dyma'r peth bwysig oes, 5 mlynedd llai bydd yr Alban a Iwerddon wedi gadael Brynain. Os nag yn ni'n Gymru dechrau trefnu nawr, bydd ni hwyr diwrnod ar ôl referendum bydd Alban yn gadael. Felly mae eisiau ni dechrau drafod annibyniaeth, mae eisiau trafod yn ffrindiau, mae eisiau heg dechrau drwylio gyda Yes Cymru ar Google i wneud siŵr bod annibyniaeth yn y Cymru ar y man. Yes, we're here for the All Under One banner here in Merthyr Tydfil. I'm very excited. It's great to see something going to the heart of Merthyr, one of the most historic towns in Wales. I think more and more people are seeing that one, Wales can do a better job of governing itself by Westminster. 2, people know that Scotland and Ireland can leave the UK in about 5 years' time or less. As that happens, if we're not ready here in Wales with the arguments, with the groups on the ground, with people like yourselves doing the donkey work, then we're going to be in a very difficult place. So look, if you think Wales is a nation, if you think Wales can do a better job of governing itself than being governed by Westminster, then please join us in Yes Cymru, please come to the march, please get involved with us. We'd love to hear your voice, whoever you are, whatever background you are. So come and join us for the March for Independent Wales.
Yes, Wales, hey! Yes, Wales, hey! Yes, Wales, hey!